Well, I'm wearing one of my favorite designers of all time, Manish Malhotra. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि Manish has very graciously agreed to do the show today, and I never ask Manish any questions. Manish and I have worked together since the start of my career, and whatever he's given me, I've tried to pull off to the best of my ability.
ये कपड़े सब मिजवा में बने हुए हैं, ये handcrafted.
All the chicankari is done by Mijwan जी.
महिला सशक्तिकरण की बात हो रही है, हम नित नए चीजें देख रहे हैं जो खतरा दिखाते हैं, असुरक्षा देते हैं महिलाओं के प्रति, जैसे ये कल एक घटना भी घटी।
वो क्या हुआ?
स्मृति ईरानी जी जो हमारी एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर केंद्रीय मंत्री हैं, वो एक गोवा में किसी शो में
फैब इंडिया गवर्नमेंट है जो फैब इंडिया उसमें उनका सीसीटीवी में फुटेज आ गया है।
Footage doing what? Oh, I'm sorry, I can't say anything about this because I've not seen it, so I really don't know.
Women empowerment about women's safety in the country, considering trials also has CCTV cameras and popular.
Well, I wouldn't want to say anything about this CCTV because I don't really know about it. But as far as women empowerment is concerned and safety, I don't think there should be anything that is more important in anybody's life than keeping the woman by your side or in your life, or anybody that you might know who's a lady, safe, happy, secure. I think it is the job of society, and I really don't like to get into this whole thing of men and women because I think it's I consider them equal. I've been brought up in a household which was dominated by women. I have 4 sisters, 1 actual sister, 3 cousin sisters. I was brought up by my mother, I have 2 masis, and predominantly brought up by women, and I've never been brought up to think of them as any different. If anything, I believe women are the superior than to men, and I definitely think the least we can do for them is to make them feel comfortable, make them feel safe, make them feel secure, and I'd be willing to do whatever possible or whatever needed to ensure that. I didn't understand your question, I'm sorry. No. As children, we never went on any of these shows. My childhood was filled with a lot of playing and happiness and laughter. No, the first time I did a show was once I was already a working actor, so no. I never knew she was walking for the first time, so I've suddenly become very nervous because I have to escort her down the ramp. So yeah, fingers crossed. I hope I don't let her down. Yeah.
सुश्री दीपिका पादुकोण जी का एक वीडियो आया जो उन्होंने महिला सशक्तिकरण के लिए लगाया, आपने देखा कुछ?
जी नहीं, sorry Sumit, I've not seen it. Sorry.
राइट चॉइस वीडियो जो कि इतनी चर्चा में है, इंडस्ट्री में सब लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
Okay, I don't know because I've not seen it. Sorry.
आपके हिसाब से empowerment क्या है?
I just told you. I think everybody should have the liberty to live life the way they want to, and that's important. और मैं ज़्यादा महत्व इस पे नहीं देता हूँ कि महिला हो या पुरुष हो. I think everybody is equal. I think the day we stop talking about the difference between men and women is the day you stop. So stop classifying them in the first place. Everybody is a human being, and that's what's important.
हमारे सबके मन में जिज्ञासा है कि आपके जो घर की बाकी तो the women will be here और आपके प्रोत्साहन के.
जी नहीं. आराध्या बहुत छोटी है, वो सो गई है. रात almost I think 9:30 now. तो वो सो गई है, and ऐश्वर्या व्यस्त है क्योंकि she's shooting right now, so she couldn't be here. She's shooting for Jazba for Sanjay Gupta. भैया ये माहौल जो है वो अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए नहीं है. We're all here for Mijwan, and I think we should all applaud the cause and support the cause. Like I said, ये माहौल कुछ है नहीं. Let's talk about Mijwan.
अभिषेक सारे छायाकार चाहते हैं कि आप उनको एक
जी एक बार शो हो जाए फिर उसके बाद आके आपके साथ भी खिंचवाएंगे, उनके साथ भी खिंचवाएंगे. Let the show get over. I'm a bit nervous about that, Sumit. So yeah, thank you. Support me. I need it.
Thank you. Thank you. That's very sweet. हाँ जी. This is to help the girl child. और शबाना आंटी और नम्रता मेरी बचपन की सहेली है. मैं उसे मतलब बचपन से जानती हूँ, बहुत ही अच्छी सहेली है वो मुझे. पापा
अनिल जी, हम फिल्मों में तो नहीं देख पाया, आज रैंप पर आप लोगों को साथ में एक साथ पहली बार आपने कुछ कहें बेटी के साथ रैंप पे.
Nervous. I think we were just going to have enjoy it and have fun, and I'm looking forward to it.
Anil, what was the best part about growing up as you grew up with Sonam and Sonam Rivers?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
As in, you also grew up like from a young father to
Yes.
Up till now.
Yes.
And Sonam grew up with you.
Right.
So the question to both of you, what was the best part about growing up with each other?
I think we're still growing and still learning from each
I
other.
think he's still my age.
Yeah. So I'm a good listener, and so I learn a lot.
And I talk a lot.
Yeah. So I learn a lot from my children, and sometimes they learn from me also.
Sometimes. I've had the best childhood. In fact, I feel like if my father wasn't ambitious for me, then I wouldn't be here. I remember when I was younger, I said, Dad, I want to direct. I remember we went Goa and my dad was shooting for Musafir, and I can never forget this. And I said, I want to direct, I want to do something. He's like, but you can direct, write and act. Why do you only want to do one thing? And I think that was just a testimony of the way he's brought my sister and I up. My sister runs Dad's company with him, and and I'm working with them. And I think in a lot of ways he's really built his company for Riya and me, and obviously for Harsh as well.
Harsh will think about it.
We'll think about it.
Harsh के बारे में सोचेंगे.
He's very mean to my brother. But so I think there's always been a lot of confidence and he's been a great dad, like an amazing dad. I remember when I was in boarding school, I used to torture them and make them come every 3-4 months to see me. But it's been a great childhood.
You see, मेरा तो कंट्रीब्यूशन यही है कि मैं यहाँ हूँ, और मगर मुझे लगता है कि आपको जो शबाना जी और नम्रता कर रही हैं इस पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए, वो I have no words to really express, and we are always there whenever they need us for to support or any kind of support and all, and it's an honor for us to walk this ramp for such a noble cause.
Women empowerment, we just saw yesterday. How important is it? How important is it of safety for you? Because yesterday we just saw the getting a camera in the trial room.
In Fab India, Daddy in Goa.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm well informed. Even I read newspapers. ऐसे बात करें, सब मैं गांव में रहता हूँ, मुझे पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है. सब मालूम मुझे.
Dad.
What would you say about women's safety in the country?
No, I think it was.
It's a one-off incident.
Yeah, it's one of the incident, but hats off to her that she noticed. She was sharp. She's always been a very, intelligent, sharp, and I've been a great admirer of Smriti Irani. Not only as an actress, but the kind of work she's doing as a politician. And and I was really upset, and I feel they were caught at the right time, and she noticed it at the right time. So
at least
I'm sure the law will take its own course. Yeah.
But it's a good thing, because at least you become aware of what's around you, especially for young girls. There's awareness, and I think there's always an incident that kind of changes something. And if fortunately it was someone famous and someone important who noticed that, and that's why it's got the correct media attention. And I think that's good.
Women empowerment की बात हो रही है कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म है women empowerment की बात की और एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जो जुड़ा थी वो आया.
हाँ जी.
My choice तो दीपिका ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म चूज किया. तो आप उस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में क्या
मैंने
कितना सही लगता है?
No, I have not seen
No,
it.
you don't see anything. Peace. I love.
No, honestly, I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it.
Empowerment क्या है? Women empowerment.
आप देख रहे हैं, मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. I don't have to shout to the rooftops. I think actions speak more than anything else. You don't have to really go on the rooftop and talk about it, but I think that's what it is. And I think it comes from within, you know. Yeah. Yeah.
What is that one advice that you have given to your students that they should follow in their life?
I've never really treated the daughters and my sons, you know, I've never really thought, कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं कि मेरी बेटियां हैं. They're just my friends and they're like anybody else. I'll treat them or any person who is associated with me, boy or a girl, in my office, in my work, where I work, जैसे सबको ट्रीट करता हूँ वैसे ही मैं उनको ट्रीट करता हूँ. So for me, it's not कि वो लड़कियाँ हैं तो उनको अलग से एडवाइस दूंगा वगैरह. For me, they're, you know, like boys only. Thank you.